Hi, I'm Judy Rosser, and I came to the West Texas Wellness Center for neuropathy, but I found a lot of other things here. They've helped my neuropathy tremendously. I can feel my feet for first time in years. But it's not all the time, but it's getting to where it's more frequent and for longer periods of time. But I also, they have this, what we call the rock and rollin' machine. And it has helped my energy level tremendously. And I love the staff. I could just take them all home with me and feed them dinner every night.
Andy Rogers, and I'd like to recommend Dr. Parker. He has helped me so much. I've been in pain since I was 17 years old with my back. I haven't had pain in over a month. He has just helped me so much. And if anybody out there is in pain, I recommend they come to the West Texas Wellness Center and see Dr. Parker, because he is a miracle.